Mille-Feuille, also known as Napoleon, is a classic French pastry renowned for its elegant layers of crispy puff pastry and silky pastry cream. Here's a story-like guide to creating this delightful treat right in your kitchen, making every moment of baking a part of the experience. Imagine stepping into your kitchen, ready to create a culinary masterpiece. Start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, setting the stage for the puff pastry to rise perfectly. Roll out each puff pastry sheet on a floured surface into a rectangle approximately 28 by 40 centimeters. Trim the edges to create perfect rectangles of 25 by 38 centimeters. Cut each sheet into 12 rectangles, about 6 by 12 centimeters. Place the rectangles on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Brush the tops with melted butter and sprinkle with granulated sugar. With this simple recipe, you'll not only create a delectable dessert but also share a sweet experience with family and friends, making every bite a memorable one.